Picture this, a land of towering pines, vibrant cities, and a moose casually sauntering by. Welcome to Canada. The Great White North doesn't just offer breathtaking landscapes, it also boasts one of the world's lowest crime rates. That's right, even the squirrels are polite here. Need more reasons? Well, how about opportunities? Canada is a land of promise, with diverse industries and a robust economy. Whether you're a tech wizard, a creative artist, or a maple syrup connoisseur, there's a place for you. And let's not forget about the quality of life. Canada consistently ranks among the top countries for living standards. Imagine enjoying your Tim Hortons coffee while basking in the universal healthcare system, excellent education, and clean environment. Last but not least, moving to Canada offers more exposure. No, not just to the occasional snowstorm, but to a multicultural society that broadens your horizons. So, why move to Canada? Better question,